How to increase media volume while in a call. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can increase the media volume while you're in a call. So let us begin. First, if you're in a call, you can simply turn on the speaker mode and while you're talking to the person, if you want to increase the media's volume, you can simply pull down your control panel and you'll notice this icon here. Now this is the volume setting. You can simply turn this up to just turn up the volume. Now you can turn this down if you want to turn down the media volume. Now, if you're listening to a music while you're in a call, you can simply go to the music section and you will see the volume of the music bar too. Now you can change the volume for that media from here, and that is basically how you do it. So that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And that is all for today's video.